Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy flavored ice cream. Start by infusing simple syrup with cotton candy or flavored sugar, then combine with cream and milk. Whisk in a stabilizer like corn syrup or gelatin if you want a smoother scoop. Cool the base thoroughly in the fridge for several hours or overnight. Churn in an ice cream maker until soft serve, then harden in the freezer for perfect texture. Begin by creating a concentrated cotton candy syrup to anchor the flavor. Dissolve cotton candy or flavored sugar in minimal warm water, reduce until slightly thickened, and cool fully. Stir the cooled syrup into a chilled mixture of heavy cream and whole milk, tasting as you go to hit the sweetness and flavor balance you like. Avoid overdoing the syrup to prevent icy texture and overly sweet results. Texture makes or breaks cotton candy ice cream, so prioritize fat and anti-icing ingredients. Choose heavy cream for richness and add a small amount of corn syrup or a powdered stabilizer to keep scoops smooth. Thoroughly chill your base and bowl before churning to reduce churn time and ice crystal formation. Once churned to soft serve, transfer to a shallow container, press plastic on the surface, and freeze until scoopable for a silkier.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.